Welcome everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a quick fries that is for summer treats. Just fry them, put in a tray and enjoy them one by one. There are different type of fries here, so let's start in by frying the first one. This is Akara. Please, if you want to watch a full video of all these fries that I made, I have them in my channel. I will leave the links in the description box so that you can check them out. Thank you so much for tuning in. And here you have to fry the akara until it has this beautiful brown or golden color. Once it has this color, just take them out. They are good to go. Put them in a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil, and once the excess oil is absorbed, you can take it out from there. That's the first fry. Everybody likes akara. Akara is one thing in fact, every Nigerian loves it. Let me not tell you one thing the other you cannot do with akara. The second one is puff puff. I made this puff puff, wow, in a special way. I added many things in it. I added veggies and sausages. After that, I will go ahead and combine the whole things together. This puff puff was in fact, it tasted so good that they wanted me to be making it all the time. Well, special things are not made every day. If not, it won't be special again. So puff puff like this is made in a special occasion when I am in the mood. If you're a mom, you get me, you know what I mean. So I mixed the puff puff together and look at the outcome. It was so crispy on the outside, and in the inside it was just normal puff puff. And that is it. This is the second one, puff puff. I will just take them out and set it aside. The next one will be plantain. Just cut it in any shape that you like. Fry them. And at this point, the reason why I started with that, look at our oil is still clean. You want to make use of oil, you want to save the oil, and you want to keep them nice. Now the plantain, after frying it, the oil has started gathering some crispy things inside, like that of akara and plantain. So now if I take them out, the next thing to fry is the yam. Because I added water in the oil so that the yam would be crispy, this yam started doing what I don't understand. I just took them off and put it in the air fryer, and it made it more crispier. And that is it. I don't waste time in my kitchen. Next is the gizzard. So after this gizzard, I just mix them together with the pepper sauce I have. If you see me make pepper sauce before in my channel, this is the easiest way you can make use of it. And here they are. I mix them with ketchup and set everything in the tray. Everybody enjoy the afternoon with fries that are so yummy and tasty. So if you make this, bon appetit, enjoy it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. See you in my next video, and bye.